Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade coleslaw dressing. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for the perfect base. You'll need creamy mayonnaise, a touch of vinegar for tang, and some sugar to balance the flavors. Don't forget a dash of mustard, salt, and pepper to really bring out that classic taste. Fresh ingredients make all the difference. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl, whisk together your mayonnaise, vinegar, and sugar until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Next, slowly incorporate the mustard, salt, and pepper, tasting as you go. This allows you to customize the dressing to your preference, ensuring it's perfectly balanced between sweet and tangy. Don't be afraid to adjust. Once your dressing is mixed, the next crucial step is to let it rest. Pop it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is essential because it allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious dressing. When you're ready to serve, simply toss it with your freshly shredded cabbage and carrots. For a creamier, tangier dressing, consider swapping some of the mayonnaise for buttermilk. A small pinch of celery seed can also add that authentic, classic coleslaw flavor you might be looking for. Experiment with different vinegars, like apple cider or white wine, to find your favorite profile. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, including that Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the description below for links and more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.